Alright guys, so we have here a problem with vectors. So we have the point A, which has position vector 4i minus 5j, and the point B, which has position vector minus 5i minus 2j. So basically A is the vector 4 minus 5, and B is the vector minus 5 minus 2, right? Now we need to find the vector AB, and then we need to find the magnitude of AB. So I'm going to draw some pictures so that we can see how we can easily find it. So when we have something like this, so the vector A is 4 minus 5, so it should be around here, let's say, right? So let's say this is A, so the vector A would be this one, and then the vector B is minus 5 minus 2, so it should be something around here, right? So we have B, which is this vector, and now we need to find which vector AB. We need to find AB, so it's the vector that goes from A to B, right? Now AB, to go from A to B, we would go backwards, minus A, and then plus B, right? So it would be minus A plus B. So AB, the vector AB is minus A plus B, right? Which is equal to minus the vector A, so minus this vector, minus A plus the vector B, which is minus 5 minus 2. And that is equal to this minus here would change the sign in the inside, so we would have minus 4 plus 5 plus minus 5 minus 2, and that is the vector minus 4 minus 5, which is minus 9, and then we have plus 5 minus 2, which is plus 3. So AB is the vector minus 9 plus 3, which we can write minus 9i plus 3j, right? So this is the first one, which is the vector AB. Now we need to find the magnitude of AB. So we have found this one, and now we need to find the magnitude of AB. The magnitude, we can see the magnitude of AB is going to be the distance between the point A and the point B, and we know how to find distance, and distance D is when we have 2 points that I'm going to name x1, x2. The distance is going to be x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared, and therefore we would have x1, let's say, is this one, so we would have x1, so 4 minus x2, so plus 5 squared, then plus y1 minus y2, so minus 5 plus 2, right? So minus 5 plus 2 squared, and that is equal to the square root of 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 squared is 81, then plus minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, so we have 9, right? And that is equal to the square root of 90, which is 3 square root of 10. That is our final answer.